And what we got here is the Vevor Propress compact press tool, 1/2-inch jaws. I just picked this up about a month ago. I had to use it one time on a last job, on a trim job, where I accidentally sent a nail into a heating pipe. That was 3/4, and that was the first time that I used it. So I have 2 presses on this, or 2 cycles, just to give you an idea. This is how big it is compared to my impact gun. Without the jaws, it's about the same weight as the M18 with the CP3 battery, and this with the battery in it, but without the jaws. They're roughly about the same, but not too bad. I like how the head swivels. That's pretty nice. And all right, so this guy's leaking. Yeah, this guy's leaking. Originally, we just wanted to replace this guy, which runs back and by the water heater pipe, because of this right here. So it's 10 foot from this coupling over to that elbow. So I'm gonna put a shutoff in for them, because they have one on the cold side, but not on the hot side. And it just makes it easier to service this, so you don't have to shut off the water to the entire house. I got everything all set up. I'm gonna quickly press through all this. All right, ready? That's all the way on. Make sure that I'm not torquing the jaws left or to the right. I'm trying to be perpendicular to the pipe and pull the trigger. See if we can get a better. Okay. Looks like a very even crimp both sides. Nice. All right, let's keep going. I'll make sure we're nice and straight there. Okay, let's go to this side. So make sure that that's all the way. Head back over here. I love how much easier this is than sweating. Do this instead. I would prefer that to be down there like that. I know how to sweat pipe, but it's just, this is less of a headache. I'll just move this over, but all right, let's turn the water back on, see what's going on. Okay. And we are good.